Hi, this is Sarika here from SNA Real Estate. Friends, presently I am sitting in the office of Smart World DXP, which is in Dwarka Expressway. और चलिए मैं आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट दे देती हूँ and I believe that it is going to help you out if you are looking for the investment options, friend. First of all, this project is resort theme based and lagoon theme based, and the USP of this project is this is in between Delhi and Gurgaon, right in the Dwarka Expressway. The roads are very broad, and this project is standing in total area of 16 acres of land parcel basically. There are total 8 towers. यहाँ 8 टावर्स है जिसमें 4 ट्विन टावर्स हैं फेज 1 में और 4 ट्विन टावर्स हैं फेज 2 में। फेज 1 का जो पोजेशन है वो आपको 2027 में मिलेगा। फेज 2 का जो पोजेशन है वो आपको 2028 में मिलेगा। और इसमें अभी बहुत ही अच्छी ल्यूक्रेटिव स्कीम आई हुई है जो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करती हूँ कि another 60 days time you can pay 79 lakh rupees जो कि आपको 60 दिनों के अंदर पे करना है and then you need not to pay any amount। फिर आप अगले साल यानी कि 2026 के अप्रैल मंथ में आप again you will be paying 79 lakh rupees and then again 79 lakhs in the year 2027 and rest of the balance payment during the possession when the OC will be received. This is how you have to make the payments. The sizes are 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK. 3.5, there are total 1600 units in all the towers, including all the towers. 3 BHK की हमारे पास अभी सिर्फ बहुत ही लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्री बची हुई है जो कि टोटल प्राइस विल कॉस्ट यू 3.87 करोड़ to 4.97 crore, and this is the 3.5 BHK is 1927 square feet one is, and another one is basically 2450 square feet. This is available in price of 20,527 rupees per square feet right now, including all the charges. And we have penthouses also, right, which is in the front facing of the building, and these penthouses total area is 7313 square feet, and this is a front tower and only 8 to 10 penthouses are available there. So this is what a small highlight about the project. In order to know more, in order for the booking, in order for the query, you can always be in tune with SNA Real Estate and just follow the below said number and we will be coming right back to you. You can WhatsApp it to us, you can call us, whatever is suitable. Bye-bye. Have a great year ahead. Take care. And you will be licensing with us for everything.